Today we are trying out Popeyes famous Louisiana chicken, and you know I love my fried chicken. So for those that do not know, Popeyes chicken has been in South Africa for the last I think 2 or 3 years, and damn, it's one good tasty fried chicken. So Popeyes chicken has been around since 1972 and has only come into South Africa in the last 3 years. But today we are going all out. I have some nice crispy chicken, some nice chicken strips, a nice spicy burger, and by the way, all of the chicken in this bag is spicy. You have two options, mild or spicy, and there's definitely no place for mild when I'm eating. So when Popeyes first came into South Africa, it was a whole big hoo-ha, because I mean this has been around since 1972 and quite legendary. So the first store was in Sandton City here in Johannesburg, and the first day I tried it, I was like, where have you been all my life? I mean, do you remember the time when KFC brought out that crispy chicken pieces that were like kind of zinger spice? Basically, that is how Popeyes make their chicken. That is how they batter their chicken, with that type of spice and that type of crumb. Too nice. So let's have a look. Nice big box. Ooh. These are the chicken pieces. Look at that. So if you're familiar with the KFC's zinger wings, it has a very similar type of crumb, very similar type of spice, but whew, too nice. I've got myself some Louisiana hot sauce, some spicy mayo, spicy mayo, my favorite. Another nice looking box with some chicken strips, or some of you might know it as chicken tenderloins. A nice hot spicy Cajun extreme burger. Nothing better than a nice crispy chicken burger. Too nice. Okay, by the way, if you like spicy chicken, especially southern fried chicken, give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. There are videos coming up every week, people, every week, so don't miss out. Where do we start? Let's first calculate how many calories are we going to eat today. The best place to check your calorie count is the Samsung Health app. I'm sure there's plenty other apps out there, but because I'm using a Samsung phone, let me just use the app that I normally would use. Okay, so add food, let's go. And let's type in Popeyes. For some reason the Samsung Health does not want to pick it up, so I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Let's Google this shit. Calorie count. There we go. So there we go. I just found a good website that gives me the full breakdown of calories for Popeyes chicken. Let's have a look. So chicken pieces, spicy chicken. Okay, so it looks like I have 2 pieces of thigh. So each thigh have 260 calories. So I have 2 pieces here. So that is 520 calories, just the 2 pieces of chicken. Let's have a look at the tenders, which are the chicken strips or tenderloins. 3 pieces of these tenders are 310 calories. So we have 520, 310, that is 830 calories. 830 calories, just these 2 boxes right here. And then we have the lovely Cajun burger, 700 calories. 700 calories. So we have 520, 310, 700 calories. So 1500 calories right here. Whew, that is a lot of sit-ups to burn this shit out. And this is excluding the little fries I have here. So we're looking at additional 260 calories. 1,790 calories. That's almost 1,800 calories. This is a lot, people. My God. But it's fried chicken. It's a Saturday and the weather is a bit down. It's raining. So what a better way to spend your Saturday on some southern fried chicken. Louisiana Popeyes. Whew. So let's get to it. Louisiana sauce smells spicy. Looks like it's mixed with some sweet chili in there. Look how tiny this thing is. My God. Coke Zero, of course. Let's start with the tenders. Okay. Not too bad. I was never a big fan of chicken strips, but I mean, it all depends on where you get them from. It has a small kick to it. Louisiana sauce. That's good. That is tasty. Some fries. Fries are okay. A little bit of some Coke Zero. The worst thing with these Coke machines, or these machines that provide you with your fizzy drinks, I'm not sure if you have ever noticed. I mean, here in South Africa, you would get a machine, choose a flavor, press the button, and you have a mixture coming out, Coke Zero or Coke or whatever you choose. I think it was when we were in Paris and we went to Five Guys. Five Guys is also a very famous burger joint in the US, and we tried this machine, this vendor machine that provides these fizzy drinks, and we had two nozzles, and I won't lie, one nozzle shot out this kind of powder into the cup, and the other nozzle was pushing out like water or the fizzy, whatever liquid was coming out, mixes together and gives you this. I mean, man, what shit is in that? I have no idea. Okay, moving on to the chicken. I got myself a lovely piece. Whew. Nice. Some peri mayo. Oh yes. Oh my God. Now we are talking. Now we are officially in the spicy game. Whew, that is lovely. My God. That is tasty. Too nice. That Louisiana sauce is just too good. You can actually taste that vinegar hitting the back. It's absolutely tasty. Woo. Saturday cheat meal. Back to the tenders. It's always nice to swap between the peri mayo and the Louisiana sauce, because this Louisiana sauce just got a nice kick to it. $1,800 calories, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. And now for this beautiful Louisiana burger. Popeyes Extreme Cajun. Nice. So all of this came to a roughly $160 here in South Africa. So not too bad. Got 3 pieces of chicken with chips, which was around $50. Then the tenders were 5-piece with small chips and this small Coke that was also, I think, $50. And then the burger was also around, I think, $50 to $60. And then the burger was on a nice special. I think this was also 2 burgers for 50 to 60 rand, and then I added a slice of cheese to each burger, which was additional 5 rand each. So not that badly priced in South Africa, quite decent. Man, this Coke is not good. That drink is terrible. I have to give it to the sauce because, man, Louisiana hot sauce, you are too good. Back to the chicken. Only places available here: KFC, Chicken Licken, one of my favorites. Whew, I need to make a video soon on that. Hot wings, baby. Whew. And Popeyes chicken. So, I mean, Chicken Licken and KFC has been in the country for many years. Someone saw the opportunity of bringing Popeyes here into South Africa. I guess they're not doing too well because there's only around 3 branches in the whole of South Africa. And I think the whole 3 branches are here in Johannesburg. I mean, who knows? Next 10, 20 years, they might grow into a good thriving business here in South Africa. Something different, has its own unique taste, so you'll not find this anywhere in South Africa. Really unique spice. As I mentioned, Chicken Licken is still by far my most favorite fried chicken here in South Africa. Whew. That soul fire chicken. You just cannot beat it. Talk about comfort food. Whew. This burger, man. Whenever you order this Popeyes Cajun Extreme, make sure you add in a slice of cheese because it makes a whole big difference when it comes to that nice spicy taste with some cheese. You gotta love chicken skin. Woo-hoo. Not breaking a sweat, but really nice, really nice. These chicken tenders are they're okay. I think the best thing from Popeyes is that crumb chicken. I mean, that crumb chicken is beautiful. And the burger, this burger with the Louisiana sauce, that's a good combo.
Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen, Sandton City is on U47B, Sandton City Mall, 163 5th Street in Sandton. It's 17.4 kilometers away and is rated 3.8 stars.
3.8 stars, that's not too good.
The 12th of June 1972, New Orleans, Louisiana, United States.
Oh man, this skin on this chicken is Now that I've eaten this Louisiana sauce, if you had Chicken Licken before, that soul fire sauce that comes with it is very similar. The only slight difference with the Louisiana sauce is it has a bit of a sweet side to it, so I think there's like a sweet chili added into it, whereas the Soulfire sauce is just pure spice with some vinegar. Really tasty. Don't you hate when they give you pieces that has the breast part, because the breast is not juicy as it should be. Whenever we get a dry piece of chicken like that, we shred it up, put that thing in a sandwich, some nice mayo, some nice hot sauce, and you got yourself a damn good sandwich. So I'm gonna keep this for another time. It is a bit dry. It is maybe because I had it since earlier today and I had to warm it up. I'm sure if you buy it fresh, it'll be a whole different story. It's still juicy. Unfortunately, it has dried out by warming it up. So I'm just gonna eat a little bit more of this skin. Nicey. I mean, you don't need the skin in the sandwich, just the inside of that breast piece. Right, to finish off my burger. Really enjoyed this burger. The peri mayo sauce. I just love peri mayo. Goodbye, my lover. Never getting myself damn Mission Coke again. Yeah, that is terrible. That was good. Whew, and I am now nice and stuffed. That was good. Good fried chicken. Gotta love fried chicken, baby. Woo. So here in South Africa, you have three choices when it comes to fried chicken. You either have the infamous KFC, the chicken licken that has also been around for many years, and now Popeyes chicken. So I mean, there is no doubt, chicken licken, KFC, still the best fried chicken out there. If you want, I mean, fried chicken with a little bit of a kick to it, not too spicy, then go for Popeyes. I mean, they're here in Johannesburg, only in Johannesburg, so that's a little bit of a bummer. I still have chicken licken. I mean, chicken licken. Best chicken in South Africa. There is no doubt. That Soulfire, my God, it is one of the best and spiciest chicken. So, I mean, for someone that does not prefer spicy, then KFC is your best choice. Otherwise, you can go to chicken licken and choose Soulfire or a normal piece of chicken, which is quite mild. And I won't say bland, but you know, sometimes you need a bit of that kicker, especially on a cold day. You know, nice spicy fried chicken makes it better. So if you haven't seen my last video, I showed these babies right here, the most spiciest noodles in the world. 1 million Scovilles. Whew, this thing killed me. It ruined my night. I still have nightmares. This is a cement mixer of note. I mean, I just lie down in bed and my chest was on fire. I mean, I can't even remember how many times I've been to the toilet that one night. But whew, talk about magma. If you haven't seen that videos yet, link in description. It should pop up at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like fried chicken, if you like spicy fried chicken, give this video a thumbs up, and please hit the subscribe button. I'm bringing you videos every single week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Whew. And I will see you on the next one.